What's up, everyone? So today we're going to replace the air filter in the air box, and then also the cabin air filter for your AC on a 2015 Hyundai Sonata. So let's get into this DIY and see what it's all about. So the first thing you want to do is just grab down here, pop that up, slide out your air filter. Of course, this one's not that dirty just because I've been blowing it out every time, but you want to make sure you clean whatever's in there. And then there's also another filter up there that should have got replaced, but I failed to purchase that one. So that one's going to be in the near future. There's a second filter. We'll replace this one for now though, the thicker one. Just in case you're looking to purchase your own, here's the part number for it. And then this is the one for this is a HEPA filter for inside the cab. So comparing the two, as you can see, this one's a lot cleaner. This one does not have a tab on it like this one does, but it does have the same slots on the back, or the little ribs on the back right there. So that's gonna face in. That's just gonna slide in just like that. Push down in there. Make sure you seat it. I like the one with the rubber seal, not the so this is like a rubber gasket versus the felt. I don't like the felt. The rubber, at least if it gets wet, it dries off real fast. The felt, if it gets any moisture, it'll stay there. And then all you got to do is finesse this thing back in. So it goes like this. You see these tabs, they correspond with those, and these bottom metal ones correspond with the bottom. So make sure this is in correctly. So to put it in, all I did was I slid it down and then cammed it and then popped it in, and it locks it. So to get your glove box to drop out of the way to get to your cabin air filter, all you need to do is remove these knobs that are located, one there and one there. And these are like quarter turn knobs. So it's super convenient to get this off. My 370Z, I had to take a whole bunch of screws out. Not the business. And then this whole thing comes out of the way. And then you greet it with the door. So all you got to do to take this off is pull on this lever. This whole thing slides out. Remember, the tabs are facing down, and this little tab slides into that slot over there, like that. And then now you could just slide it right on out. You just pull this out. You see all that dirt in there? Be careful. Grab it, slide it out. Maybe use a screwdriver if it's hard. So whoever installed this installed it upside down. So you see where it says airflow? That shouldn't be facing up. That should be facing down, because the blower will suck air in and blow. So as you can see, there's a lip. This should be facing up, and the flat side should be facing down. Okay, and I think that's probably just to trap debris in here, so that way it doesn't slide out. Like whereas this one, since it was on the flat side, debris just fell out into the blower fan. So a good rule of thumb is the way you read it should be the way it gets inserted. So this should always face you when you're sliding it in. So the way these slide in is you could just line them up with the slots that are there, push it in, but you're gonna have to lift up on the glove box a little bit, just because if you let it come down, you're gonna be hitting into this plastic. So you gotta lift it up because there's slots right here. And then you could push them in and then twist them this way, clockwise, until they lock themselves. Counterclockwise will loosen them up to pull them out. The one thing to note when doing this stuff is you'll notice that the air smells thinner and a lot cleaner the moment you swap it. Give it about a minute of cycling, and for some reason the air doesn't smell as thick, and that's probably because all the dust particles that were blowing through. So that's going to complete today's video on the 2015 Hyundai Sonata cabin air filter replacement and air filter for your throttle body replacement. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. If you want to see content like this and other content I'll be posting in the near future, consider subscribing. Until next time, I'll see y'all in the next one.